Welcome to UGC NET and GATE computer science students. In today's topic, I will be discussing another important problem statement from data structure and algorithm. The problem statement here is a hash function present there, which is h of key equal to key mod 7 with linear probing. And the keys are 44, 45, 79, 55, 91, 18, 63, and this key is supposed to placed in a table with table specification, which mean location address are 0 to 6. What will be location of 18? Okay, so in order to placing all the keys with help of hash function in linear probing, and first you want to represent location 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, totally 7 element there, and we want to start address of location with the 0 up to 6 in sequence. Okay, now in which place which key you want to placed. Okay, so for that they have concept is called hashing. Okay, so now what is hashing here is h of key equal to key mod operation 7. Okay, so why this 7 they represent is totally 7 key they want to place, so they are taking 7. And which place in which what key you want to place, this decided by this particular mathematical operation. Suppose I am taking 44 mod 7. Okay, so 44 mod 7 is nothing but what, so you want to take division, and 5 into 7 are 35, and 42. Okay, so remainder is what, 2. Okay, now we want to compare this remainder 2 with the location. Here here we have 2, so which mean we want to take this key 44 and we want to place here. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, so now 45. Okay, 45, which mean what, 44 for which remainder is 2, and now 45 mod 7 is remainder is 3. Okay, so now we want to keep 45 in third place. Okay, and like that, next key here is 79. In 79 77 11 time, right? So 77 mod 79 mod 7 equal to remainder is what? Okay, 70 in which 10 time, 9 7 is 1 time, remainder is 2. But what is the beauty of this particular linear probing is, and we are locating second position, but 44 already occupied. Okay, so in that case what you want to do? Okay, you want to place 79 very immediately next to this particular position if next position is vacant. If it is already filled, then you want to place in its next position, so 79 will be placed here. Okay, so now next data is 55. Okay, in 55 how many 7 there, what is the remainder? And it is nothing but 40 49. Okay, 49 is 7 time, 7 into 7 49, remainder is 6. Okay, 55 mod 7 equal to remainder equal to 6. Okay, so now we can place 55 at 6th position. Okay, and next one is 91, right? 91 the sense what, 70 is 10 time 21, so 21 remain 91 mod 7, okay, 21 in which 7 time how many um, count is nothing but 3, okay, so totally your remainder is 0, okay, which mean 13 times 7 is nothing but 91, remainder equal to 0. I want to place this 91 at 0th position, okay. Next our aim is we want to place 18 and where, that is our question, okay. So now 18 in which how many 7 is nothing but I mean here mm, okay, 2 time 7, that is 14, remainder is 4, okay. So which mean fourth location in which we want to place 18, we are looking fourth location already occupied 79, so very immediately its right is nothing but fifth position in which we want to place 18, okay. So now what happen is suppose you are finding 18 mod 7, you will be getting 4, and without solving linearly, okay. So if you are finding answer as 4 and one of the choice also 4, okay, you will be getting wrong answer, okay. So now correct answer is what, fifth location, okay. So now C is right answer. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.